name is Jade and I'm a science manufacturing technician at Estée Lauder Group. At school, I loved music and studied a mix of subjects, English, maths and science, but I wasn't sure what my career path would be. It was my aunt who suggested the production lines at Estée Lauder and I've been here 5 years now. When I started, I had very hands-on training for the first 2 years, then lots of supervision. After that, they gave me an 18-month apprenticeship. My job is to make sure things are running properly and improving our efficiency. I check the data on our production lines and analyse it to make sure it's accurate. If there are any anomalies, I speak with the team and look for the root cause. I have so many roles from scientist to detective. If something goes wrong, I need to find out why. You have to listen to conflicting ideas and identify the facts. I'm proud of my journey here. I love how Estée Lauder invests in people. They've offered me so many opportunities. Learn as much as you can, persist, and you can find true happiness in your work.